welcome back to my channel. If you've never seen my face before, hi, I'm Noelle. Thanks for clicking on this video. If you are new here and you like the vibe of me or this channel and you're pretty cool, which I think all of you are, you should think about hitting that subscribe button because we are growing every single day and I love talking to you guys in here. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I post a lot on there as well. Today's video, we are going to be cleaning my apartment and organizing my life. I just came back from spring break from Cali, as you saw. Let me know if you guys like the Cali vlogs because I love doing vlogs like that. But my apartment is a mess. I have no food. I need to organize. So today is going to be a long vlog and a lot of organization and a lot of cleaning. Before I get into the stuff in the apartment, I think I'm just gonna go grocery shopping just to get that out of the way. That way we can come back and organize everything and clean. So let's go to Target. All right, y'all. Fit for Target. Normally I would look maybe a little cuter, maybe, but it's also one, cold outside, and two, we're going grocery shopping, so I want to be comfortable. So my sweatpants are from H&M. My shoes are Air Force Ones. This is from Northeastern. I don't go there, but still pretty nice. And then just a simple black hat. So I hope that was in focus because I couldn't see. But yeah, let's go get food. I almost left you guys. Sorry. Alright, I feel like I can never get y'all to stay in the car, so I'm gonna drive to Target and I'll see you there.
Needs a half tank.
We're here. I've never been to this Target, so this should be fun. Alright guys, I spent way too much time in Target. I didn't get anything that I didn't need, but I had to stay a little longer because the lady who was checking me out, she charged me for things twice, and my total was twice the amount I was supposed to. So she had to go back and return all the stuff. It was a long checkout process, but now we are heading home so I can go clean my apartment because she's dirty and I also need to eat something. So let's go. All right, we're back in the apartment. Let's do a haul and put these away before, some of the things melt. Currently sitting on my water bottle, but it's fine because it works as a tripod. Sort of, hold on. Perfect, okay. We have some frozen salmon, strawberry, avocados, 2 red onions, 1 yellow onion. We have some Celsius, because you guys know I'm obsessed. We have some rotini pasta, I think that's how you say it. Fettuccine, lettuce, ice cream, pasta sauce, some eggs. I don't normally get these type of eggs. I think I actually have a full carton in there, but for my photography class, we need to photograph a white egg. And I don't have white eggs, I only eat brown eggs, so those are better for you, but you know what, it's fine. So we have to buy a whole carton, so eggs. We have ham, meatballs, bacon, the other pack of salmon. Guys, this salmon is so good, so good. I don't know, it's the teriyaki pan-sear sesame salmon from Target. It's so good. Round turkey, pudding. We just have some soy milk because we're lactose intolerant up in here. All right, let's put all of this away. So now that the groceries are away, I figured we'd start cleaning in the kitchen. I actually, before I left, I ran the dishwasher, so we just need to empty it and then put my few little things in there. So let's do that. Alright, hi guys. I'm gonna take a quick cleaning break to make a matcha. I haven't made a matcha in a long time on my cereal. Also, if you want to see how I make my matcha, because I'm gonna make it really quickly, but I made a reel on my Instagram, so I'll let you watch it right now while I go make this. Okay, the one I made in that video you just watched, it looks 10 times better because I messed this one up, but it's fine. Still matcha and still fire. The kitchen is done. I think I said that in another clip, but I don't remember. I'm defrosting chicken breast for dinner. The biggest thing I need to tackle is my laundry. These are all my dirty clothes right here from the trip. These are clean, obviously. I need to unpack as well. And I still have stuff in here. So, yeah, this should be fun. Ah, my battery is flashing red. Okay, I'm gonna put you guys on the charger, and then I will see you in a second. All right, welcome back from your charge. Oh, not this hanging, guys, I look rough. Anyways, it is like almost 6 o'clock, which is actually insane because I feel like I haven't done anything today, which is not true. But I still have a video to edit and other things to do. So let's go finish cleaning. Okay, so my laundry, I cannot see. My laundry is finished. So I'm gonna move that to the dryer. Alright, so laundry is drying, also drying in there. My room is clean, looking good. That's us. Hey. I think I'm gonna make a dinner. But before we do that, let's just clean up the living room a little bit. It's not too bad. I just need to put away my bag. I was gonna hang these hats, but I think I'll save that for another day. I already cleaned the couch. I have to throw these away. These are old. Can't forget about my desk, but we're gonna do a transition for this one. So, dirty. Voila, all clean. The sun is shining bright and there's a train in the background, but it's okay because we're gonna go make some dinner. So let's go. All right, loves, I'm going to enjoy my Spanish chicken and rice, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. I hope you guys liked it. Next vlog is gonna be really fun. I'm really excited, so get excited, and I will see you in it. Bye.